Hello, I'm Sasha. Today I'm going to be unboxing the January 2020 Petit Vour Beauty Box. Petit Vour actually has two different boxes. There's the Beauty Box, which is 4 items for $18, and then there's the Plus Box, which is 5 to 7 items for about $25. So I actually didn't sign up for this one until later in the month. I heard that they had a really nice expensive mascara in it and I was really sad that I missed out, but then I signed up later in the month and I was still able to get one. So both Petit Vour boxes come in eco-friendly packaging. They both come in these cardboard boxes with a fun message on the inside. And first you'll find a card. The card is sort of like a flyer this month and kind of explains what everything is and how much it would normally cost. So first I have the Aether Beauty Eyeshadow Single in Amethyst. This is a single eyeshadow that comes on its own in this cardboard packaging. It's a metal pan that you could probably easily put in a magnetic palette. It's cruelty-free and vegan, and it says it has pigments of amethyst, topaz, and other crystals, along with ingredients like organic lavender oil and organic rose oil. It seems to have a soft, creamy texture and a really beautiful kind of shimmery grape shade. I like deep shimmery shades like this purple because you can easily go over a neutral look and enhance it and create a really different kind of feel. I've liked other Aether Beauty products I've used before, and so I'm really happy to see it in this box this month. Next we have the MOA, the Green Fairy Hand and Lip Balm. It comes in this really cute packaging with a fairy sort of embossed on the front. It's supposed to be a non-greasy balm that you can use on your lips or on your hands. I'm going to go ahead and try a little bit out. It definitely seems to melt easily. It feels a little bit like coconut oil, I guess, but a little more substantial, if that makes sense. Like, it melts easily, but it definitely has, you know, kind of that balmy feel. It does have a bit of a smell though. I think it's anise and fennel. Those really aren't my favorite scents, so I don't know how much I'll use this. I think it's really cute in terms of the packaging and stuff, but unfortunately the smell isn't something that I'm like really fond of. Next we have the Andalou Naturals Probiotic Cleansing Milk. This is actually a travel size at 1.7 ounces and only $3. The full size is 6 ounces and typically retails around $12.99. This seems to be designed to be sort of age-defying, like it's supposed to have the probiotics to help remove the dead skin and also some oils to help leave your skin balanced. So just take a look at the texture. It looks like it's pretty creamy, kind of like a moisturizer. It definitely seems to have a very hydrating feel to it. It doesn't have much of a scent to it either, so I think this would be pretty good if you're sensitive to scents or fragrances. Since it's the winter, I've been using cleansing milks like this a lot recently, so I'll definitely be trying this one out. I love that it's also inexpensive, so I can feel comfortable getting used to it for daily use. If you're enjoying this video, I'd really appreciate it if you liked it or considered subscribing. I post new beauty videos every Tuesday and Thursday at 10 a.m. Central, and if you hit the notification bell, you'll be notified first. Last but not least, we have the Fitglow Beauty Good Lash and Mascara. I was really excited to try this mascara because I love the shape of the brush. It seems like a really great thick brush that will help kind of amplify volume. $38 may seem like a lot for just a mascara, but this actually is a lash growth serum as well. So it has ingredients in it that will help your lashes grow longer and thicker and fuller. This isn't something that I'm able to test out for you right now, but I'm definitely going to try it out over time and see how well it works. Overall, I was really happy with this box and I felt like it was a really high value box for me. If I wanted to try the mascara alone, it would have cost me $38. They don't currently have a travel size, and so I got everything in this entire box for only $18. While there are 4 products this month, at least 2 of them are full size. This eyeshadow and the cleanser could also be considered sort of a trial size, but I really do think that you get a lot of value here because this one is a whole 1.7 ounces and this one is a full single eyeshadow. After this month, I was pretty impressed with the Petit Vour Beauty Box at only $15 to $18 depending on your subscription option. I felt like this was a really good value. I know some months are going to be better than others, but I'm definitely staying subscribed after this one. Please leave a comment below and let me know if you have any thoughts on this box or if you have any other favorite subscription boxes. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.